Hello, this is Stronger from Astouch, and right now I would love to introduce our self-ordering kiosk. And this one we already supplied to the KFC and also the Pizza Hut. Here is our kiosk hardware. We can see our hardware is coming with a 32-inch interactive PCAT touchscreen. On the surface, it is the 3 millimeters thickness of a tempered glass, so it is very durable to use in the public restaurants, especially for the quick service restaurant. And this one is with the Full HD QR camera that is for the facial recognition to analyze the gender and also the age to promoting the content and also the food to the user. And here is the QR code scanner for the scan QR code for the e-wallet from your mobile phone. And this is plate for the payment terminal for credit card payment. And here is the receipt printer. And if you need more information, you can read our website www.astouch.net.